Folks, Yellowstone Rifle Company came to be through a couple conversations. Will came to me about 2 years ago, and he wanted to open a gun store and just offer good quality guns, a little bit higher end guns in some aspects, and he wanted to offer gunsmithing also. I've got about 20 years experience in gunsmithing, different aspects of it, and one of my specialties has always been rifles. And so then after about a year of being in business, we got to talking, and it's like, well, why don't we make our own rifle? And so here comes Yellowstone Rifle Company, and Yellowstone Rifle Company was born. We went and picked some premium products. A lot of people go, well, are you going to make your own barrels? You've got to have a lot of money to build a barrel, a lot of money in equipment, a lot of time, plus you got to have the expertise. And you aren't going to outperform barrel manufacturers like Krieger and Bartley and Hart and a few of the others out there that make a premium barrel. Why don't I just use theirs? Because I'm never going to make a better one, and I'm going to never recover my costs in putting all that effort into the machinery and having somebody else make them in our shop when I can just get their barrels and make a premium rifle with their rifle barrels. Yellowstone Rifle Company was born. We've been waiting on product, and our website isn't fully functional yet. It's a work in progress right now, folks. We are a brand new company, so bear with us, please. Everything's coming together finally this year, and it's a slow process still, but we're making a good product, and we are trying to fulfill orders as best as we can as we get the product coming in for us to make the guns with. We carry good thermal scopes. We carry good high quality Leica and Leica scopes and the Night Force scopes also. We're a dealer for both. If you want something else, we're more than happy to get whatever you want. You don't have to use what we carry normally in stock. We'll order whatever stock you'd like to have, whether it be HS Precision, Stockies, or Manners, or the other half a dozen that are out there nowadays. So, we'll build it to your specs, and that's one of our specialties, is we want to have the customer go happy out of the store and have fun shooting their gun and be confident in their gun also. Having a gun built to your specs gives you the confidence to make that long shot. We use some premium products. We don't use just a stamped out button rifle barrel. We use a premium cut rifle barrel. We use a carbon fiber barrel. That costs more. Everything is hand built. I hand fit these barrels to the individual action on my lathe. So that takes time and effort. In addition to that, we pillar bed all of our stocks in addition to glass bedding. So they aren't just set in there like you would get from Savage or one of the other companies out there. Our guns are Cerakoted to a customer specs. It just so happens this is what we did to this gun because we thought it would match the stock real well. And so we did the suppressor the same. We try to build everything to a customer's wants and needs, whether that's the barrel weight, the stock design, whatever it may be that a customer wants, we try to put into the gun so the customer has the best opportunity that he can get. The pillar bedding, again, going back to the pillar bedding, not everybody's going to do that with a factory gun. You'll get it with a custom gun, and that's what we try to have here. We do the Cerakoting down to the customer specs, whether it's a cryptic camo pattern or it's just a simple distressed pattern. But it all takes time and effort, folks, and we try to do the best we can here. We think we turn out a very good product. We try to make our rifles all shoot sub MOA, which you aren't necessarily going to get from a factory rifle, a standard factory rifle anyway. We don't have to go put your gun on on one of our laminated stocks. We can use a Manners or a HS Precision, for instance. And all this effort and time and our resources and everything else, nowadays everything is just more costly. So that's one of the reasons why our guns cost more, folks. We just put our effort and our love and our time and our sweat into it, and we really try to make it something special for the individual that's getting one of their guns. So folks, left-handed actions, we had questions about left-handed actions for, that in our builds. We don't have anything currently, but we are working on that. We're hoping to have that issue solved by the end of the year, hopefully actually by summertime if things go right. So no promises there, but we are working on left-handed options. Our laminated stocks do come in a left-handed version. Right now, it's just a problem of making a left-handed action. It's one of those things that dynamics have to be changed in there, and it takes a little more work than what some of us have time for currently. And so that's where we're at with left-handed actions. So hopefully you like our guns. Hopefully you'd want to contact us. And the best way is email us or call us right now. Talk to us. We're more than willing to talk to you personally. And, you know, we'll get you whatever you need there, whether it's long range, whether it's just the hunting rifle you've always wanted, or whether it's the perfect varmint rifle that you've want to get those groundhogs at, you know, a long range at.